Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra Review. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a detailed look at Samsung's latest tablet, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. In this video, we'll cover everything from design to performance, screen quality, or to battery life. Before we dive in, I want to make a quick reminder, my dear friend. Preparing this video takes me hours, but subscribing to the channel takes only 2 seconds for you. Remember, I'm new on YouTube, and you are my source of motivation. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like my videos to support both me and my team. It would make me really happy. Now, let's continue our review of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Samsung typically refreshes its tablets every 18 months, so we were surprised to see several new Tab S10 models appear at once. The newly announced models are the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. However, the smallest and cheapest model in this series has not been updated. The Galaxy Tab S9 still counts as a new device alongside the latest offerings. The large device, that door-sized Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, comes with a starting price of $1,199.99 and includes a fantastic S Pen in the box. Interestingly, it's powered by a MediaTek processor instead of Qualcomm. So, what else does this model have, and is it worth paying attention to? Let's take a closer look in our detailed review. Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra specifications. Samsung is probably the only Android manufacturer that regularly offers tablets with premium components and high-performance hardware. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra naturally competes with the latest Apple iPad Pro 13. However, Samsung surprised us with the processor used in the device. It features a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus instead of Snapdragon. This means not much has changed compared to the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Even the battery capacity remains the same. So, what's the status of this tablet? Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra design and display. Yes, this means we're seeing the same Galaxy Tab Ultra design for the third time. There's no complaint here. Apple has been using the same iPad design for years. If something works, there's no need to change it. However, we would have liked Samsung to reduce the size of the display notch that houses the two cameras. A bit dot. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is slightly thinner and lighter than the Tab S9 Ultra on paper. The Tab S10 Ultra is 5.4 mm thick and weighs 718 grams, while the Tab S9 Ultra is 5.5 mm thick and weighs 730 grams. However, these differences are minimal, so it's hard to notice when holding both tablets. In terms of appearance, there isn't a significant difference between the two tablets. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra also falls into this category. There's no change in materials, but Samsung claims it has a 10% stronger aluminum structure. That's a nice improvement for a thin tablet. So, what's new? The display. The panel is still a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. This term, associated with Samsung, means it offers excellent peak brightness and dynamic refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. The innovation is the anti-reflective coating applied to it. Samsung claims this coating reflects less than 2% of light. It's worth noting that the Galaxy S24 Ultra phone uses a special Gorilla Armor glass that reduces reflections by 70%. This enhances the screen's visuals and improves visibility. Looking at the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra screen, we can really see that reflections have decreased and content consumption has risen in any environment. You'll even notice how much reflections affect your experience, even in indoor settings. However, the screen brightness is somewhat low. 600 nits used to be sufficient, but now it's much more enjoyable to use with less reflection. My friend, I have a piece of news for you. I'm producing new content on YouTube. Would you subscribe and support me? I would really appreciate it. Ultra performance and benchmarks. Strangely, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra doesn't come with a Snapdragon processor. Instead, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, a third-generation 4nm processor. This is interesting given Samsung's partnership with Qualcomm. Samsung's phones typically feature custom and more powerful Snapdragon processors, boasting the title "Made for Galaxy." We couldn't find a reason for this situation. However, Samsung claims that this processor offers an 18% increase in CPU speed and a 36% improvement in GPU performance. As you can see, this is a significant improvement, a good job for Dimensity. But if you ask us to compare the feel or performance of the Tab S10 Ultra and Tab S9 Ultra, we would struggle, as how effectively can Android and One UI utilize this power? However, the Dimensity 9300 Plus is expected to deliver more power in the future. Overall, we're not worried about the long-term performance of the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. The company is often associated with budget phones and lower performance. However, the Dimensity 9000 series is genuinely quite powerful. We wonder why this processor is used less in the West. It's hard to understand why Samsung bypassed Qualcomm to launch this tablet. My dear friend, I want to make a small reminder. I'm new to YouTube. I would be really happy if you could subscribe to my channel. Your support is truly important to me. IP68 certification, the Galaxy. So Tab S10 Ultra is resistant to water and dust with its IP68 certification. This feature allows you to comfortably use your tablet both indoors and outdoors. You don't have to worry about using it in the rain or by the pool. The tablet is designed to be water resistant at certain depths and durations, providing more assurance against the challenges you might encounter in daily life. My friend, I have some news for you. I'm creating new content on YouTube. Would you subscribe and support me? I would really appreciate it. Storage space, the Samsung Galaxy, and the Tab S10 Ultra stands out with its wide storage options. Users can choose between 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB of storage space. This offers significant flexibility depending on how you plan to use your tablet. If you work with large files, applications, and media content, opting for more storage space makes sense. Additionally, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra supports microSD cards. This feature allows you to easily expand your existing storage. Compatible with microSD cards up to 1 TB, the tablet provides an excellent option for securely storing your photos, videos, and other files. This way, you can always carry your important documents and files with you and access them whenever you need. My friend, I've started a new journey on YouTube. If you subscribe to my channel, it would be a great motivation for me. Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra software. Samsung software is a significant selling point for Galaxy devices. The company has completely redesigned the Android operating system, and over the years, One UI has become both beautiful and functional. You can quickly open applications side by side, multitask by opening apps in Windows, and there are a variety of applications that work perfectly with the S Pen. You can even mark and draw on your calendar, not just in notes, ! Moreover, flagship Galaxy tablets can be used in 2 different modes. In the standard Android mode, it resembles a large smartphone interface. However, you can activate DX without needing an external monitor. DX completely changes the tablet's operating system appearance. It resembles a desktop machine. A desktop filled with favorite shortcuts, a taskbar, and an app drawer, all compared to Windows Start menu. My dear friend, I want to remind you that I'm sharing new content on YouTube. Subscribing to the channel would be a great support for me. Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra battery and charging again. There's no major change in the battery. It has an 11,200 mAh capacity. However, there are a few things that make it more efficient. Firstly, there's an increase in processability with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. Secondly, according to Samsung, there's less reflection and lower energy consumption. Of course, there's no improvement in the fast charging that Samsung offers. It remains at 45 W. The good news is that it fully charges in a few hours, which is a good improvement. Sound quality and haptic feedback. If you're getting a tablet, you're likely using it for content consumption. In that case, sound quality is an essential factor. It features 4 stereo speakers, and the volume is adequate. High-end tablets should have satisfying sound quality. If you're not always thinking about using headphones, the stereo speakers will be especially helpful. Another important feature is the haptic feedback provided with the keyboard attachment. What sets this apart from being standard for a tablet are the features developed by Samsung. There's built-in feedback for nearly everything. Typing on the keyboard, drawing with the pen, or haptic feedback, which demonstrates how good the tablet is. My dear friend, I want to remind you that I've just started on YouTube. Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Conclusion: the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is an impressive tablet. Samsung has taken flagship features and made the overall structure of the device strong and flexible enough. In terms of display, software, design, sound, and overall performance, this tablet is currently one of the best on the market. However, there is certainly one question. Does the MediaTek processor bother you? If it's not a major concern, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is definitely one of the best tablets you can get. However, buying this tablet for a different performance doesn't mean you'll have the same experience as with a more budget-friendly alternative. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, my dear friend. Your support means a lot to me. See you soon.